Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to talk about how to set up a great profile on Entre. If you're ready, hit the like button and share this video so it could reach more people. And let's get started. First, let me briefly walk you through the web app. This is the homepage. You will see this after you've logged in. Entre's authentication is built out so users can log in with the crypto wallet or they can sign up with an email. It's compatible with Coinbase, MetaMask, Wallet Connect, and Dizo, and many others. And more will be added in the future. You'll see the homepage here with content, live streams, or virtual events that are happening on the platform. This will allow you to pop into these events. There's an audio, video, and more to engage in the room. And then there's other content that you and other users can enjoy. There's plenty of different pieces of content for you to create. From here, you can also get support directly from other users in crypto and earn crypto on your content from posts. And from live streams coming soon as well. You can create posts, do live streams, meetings, which are private groups that only people with the link can pop into. Basically everything that you can do on Zoom or Google Meet besides the breakout rooms, you could do here. Video recording and also screen sharing, all built out within the app, on mobile and on the web. You can also host virtual events or in real life where you can do ticketing. When someone signs up, they get a calendar invite, an email, and everything you want to include. You can connect your Stripe account and charge for events. You can post jobs and gigs if you're a pro user. If you want to learn more about what is Entre, check out the video link down below. Now that you have an idea of this new professional network, let's set up a great profile on Entre. First, log in. You can log in or sign up using crypto wallet, Google, Apple, or email. I'll use Google. Next, add your username. And now we're here on the dashboard. Click on Complete Your Profile. This page is where you can set up your profile. Upload your profile photo. You can keep the one used in your account or you can upload a new one for Entre. Position it the best way possible. Then if you're happy with it, click on Save. Next, since we already have our full name and username here, add in your title. Click on the drop-down menu and choose a title. Add in your company name and its website. Then you can add in your location. Add your bio. You can share everything or anything you want here. Next, how would you best describe yourself? You can select at least one option and up to 3 options. Click on the drop-down menu and choose one. What do you want to do on Entre? Select at least one option or up to 3 options. And lastly, what topics are you interested in? Select at least 1 or up to 5 options. When you're done, save changes. And here's what your profile will look like. Now go ahead and explore all the things you have on Entre. I recommend joining communities so people will learn more about you and you will learn more about them. And there you have it, how to set up a great profile on Entre easily. I hope you find this video helpful, and if it did, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you'll be updated on our daily videos. And before this video ends,
did you know that you can run live, on-demand scheduled webinar replays with hands-free automation and the breakthrough sales-getting features with no hosting required, and has dozens of ready templates and engagement and sales booster? Introducing Webinar Loop 2 by Technic Force. Webinar Loop makes creating high-converting profitable webinars a piece of cake. It has never seen before engagement and sales boosting technology, where you have full-screen lifelike experience, call to actions with clickable buttons, info boxes for engaging tidbits, and live polls on webinars. You have surveys on webinars too, and infographics and ads on webinars. So, what are you waiting for? Try Webinar Loop now. Just go to getwebinarloop.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.